I'm Chef Zeelicious and today I'm going to be making crepes, okay? So first of all, I'm going to start with the flour, okay? I'm going to be using plain flour because we need it to be nice and light. I'm going to pour in some eggs, you need about 3 eggs. Flour, you need about 2 cups of flour, okay? And then probably another cup of milk. Okay, just whisk that together. Try and mix it well, just so that everything is well combined. Now, I need a little bit of oil. Any oil is fine. Olive oil, normal oil, vegetable oil, which I don't really like, but you can use sunflower oil. So just put a scoop, just one little ladle. There you go. Voila, it's ready. So now I'm going to garnish it and show you how to dress it up if you want, in a really fun way. Okay, so now we're going to just add the toppings. This is so easy. So you can do what you want. You can add some chocolate. So I think I'm just going to add some chocolate. Just going to chop this a little bit. You can use a piping bag. Just a little bit. Ooh, okay. Just going to drizzle that on there. Okay. Then I'm going to add some strawberries in there. Just to give it a little bit of oomph, you add a little bit of ice and sugar. Voila, it's ready. French crepes.